responsible for a surprise our entire mission. We're supposed to be 3 wise men,
So-
not driving 2 wise men. Sorry, one of them blew his Mazda up, we left it.
11 miles! Ted Nugent did. Oh my god.
We 3 kings of Orient are 1 in the Vauxhall 2.
Yo, what's up, man?
I don't.
ATV, man.
Thank you for helping me, Richard.
Thank you.
But you love doing this, you two.
So,
Special favour.
Trans Energy 2001, ATV, man. I want to hear that airplane power up. Power up. Yeah.
we just had a crap ton of pizza.
Eventually, the spark plug was glued back into place, but we were still
Arizona.
in the danger zone and running out of
Yeah. And we're watching Top Gear.
Yeah, look at this. It's a bit more
Yep.
serious
Failed
than the ones
selfie.
we saw in
Oh,
Iraq.
yes, selfie.
That is a man surrounded by sandbags.
And Top Gear.
Sandbags don't work.
And Daniel.
Trying to be helpful. Mercifully, though, the road soon improved. Right, looks like we got ourselves a dual carriageway here.
Oh, that's bad.
I'm just laying down on the floor.
No one had told the locals how
Nothing
to
wrong with
use
that,
it.
man.
Yeah, man.
It's on the ro-
Oh, that's a good guitar.
On the wrong side of the dual carriageway, guys. He's going the wrong way on the dual carriageway.
So, not much to say, huh?
No.
Yeah. You know. Yeah.
This is going to definitely be a short one.
Yes.
Alright.
Highway madness meant it was well after.
Alright, what's your last words, both of you? First, yeah.
My car's running like a
ATV. Lots of ATV, man.
Okay, next. And then you, Kevin, your last word to the people?
Mine's fine. Oh my god! If you think about it, who would ever have guessed a Mazda, a BMW?
You already know what I'm gonna do, Kevin, right?
You need to be mechanically
Alright.
to get the best.
Hammond continued boasting all the way to the hotel, so that night